Let me introduce myself. I am Suresh Babu. I have been working as a head of electrical and electronics engineering in the Department of Technical Education, Government of AP. I expected a lot from these sessions, but I could not be benefited by very much. But I learned very wonderful organization skills, and I am very happy to meet more wealthy persons in this session.
Good.
And to introduce many people, that is my main motto.
Good.
Because the people gathered here are not ordinary persons. They are extraordinary and they have their own caliber. Suppose I want to make such a people into my life as a friend, I have to spend crores of rupees. So I am registering my special gratitude to Dr. Kailas sir.
Thank you.
For giving this opportunity to interact with many people, because these people may help to more rich in my life. And I earnestly request our Guru to impart more inputs, at least through videos,
yes,
so that we can become more wealth and healthy, happy, lucky sir. So I request once again sir, please respond to our queries which we go to post in WhatsApp group sir. Kindly, because my humble request is, because I involved in share market for the last 4 to 5 years. I invested a lot, but I did not earn a single rupee.
Okay.
My intention is to know certain scripts, whether it is to be profitable or not. Because especially recently today also I had taken Yes Bank and HEG also, but I don't know actually whether those shares are profitable or not. Because so far what I followed is, I got some messages from expert friends, that's all. But now I have a hope, whenever I want to take a new scrape for the welfare of our nation, just I will follow the suggestions of our Dr. Kailas sir. So kindly sir, మీరు ఒక్కరే కోటీశ్వరులు కావడం కాకుండా ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి 60 మందిని కోటీశ్వరులు చేయవలసిందిగా మనస్ఫూర్తిగా నేను కోరుకుంటూ ఈ ఇచ్చినటువంటి అవకాశానికి నేను కృతజ్ఞుని సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
అందుకోసం వచ్చాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.